Hello friends, this is Dr. Mohammad Anis. I welcome you all. Today we are going to learn how to convert a binary number into decimal number. Before starting, I want to specifically mention that when I am going to say any bit is multiplied by 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, it means those bits are to be multiplied by the respective values. And 2 raised to 0, the positive values are used for integers. For fractions, I am going to multiply the bits by 2 raised to minus 1, which means it is 1 multiplied by 1 by 2. If any bit is multiplied by 2 raised to minus 2, it means it is multiplied by 1 divided by 2 raised to 2, and so on. Okay, let's calculate a decimal number for binary integer. This is a generalized formula for calculating decimal number of any given binary number. In this formula, MSB is the most significant bit, LSB is the least significant bit, and N is the total number of bits present in binary integer. Let's have a look on simple problem. Here we are having a number, binary number 1 1. We have to calculate a corresponding decimal number for this binary number. So as this is the least significant bit, on the right this is the least significant bit, and on the left it is the most significant bit. So there are 2 bits in this number. According to our formula, least significant bit will be having a value 2 raised to n minus n. So n is number of bits 2, and n minus n, 2 minus 2 will be 0. So this one will be having a value 2 raised to 0. Next successive number will be having a value 1 into 2 raised to 1. So 2 raised to 0 is 1, 1 into 1, 1, 2 raised to 1 is 2, 1 into 2, 2. This gives us 3. So the corresponding decimal number of 1 1 is 3. Let's have a look on another number. Here we are having a binary number 1 0 1 1. According to formula, this is the least significant bit and this is the most significant bit. So let's put the binary position values of that particular bit. This one will be having a binary position 2 raised to 0. This one will be having a value 2 raised to 1. This one will be having a value 2 raised to 2, and this one will be having value 2 raised to 3. Calculating the equation, we get 11. So the corresponding decimal number of 1011 is 11. Let's convert the 8-bit binary number. In this number, we are going to place the respective position values of binary bit. So we get 1 into 2 raised to 0, 1 into 2 raised to 1, 1 into 2 raised to 2, 0 into 2 raised to 3, 1 into 2 raised to 4, 1 into 2 raised to 5, 0 into 2 raised to 6, and 1 into 2 raised to 7. If we calculate the respective position values, we get 183. The corresponding decimal number of 10110111 is 183. Let's calculate the decimal number of binary fraction. Those numbers which are placed after the point in any binary number. Here you can see I have put specifically I have put a dot over here. the number which is adjacent to this point is most significant bit, and as you move away from this point you will go towards the least significant bit. As you know, MSB is the most significant bit, LSB is the least significant bit, and N is the total number of bits present after the point in binary number. Okay, let's see one problem. Here we are having a number 0.111. In this number, this is the most significant bit and this is the least significant bit. So we get this number is multiplied by 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to minus 2 and 2 raised to minus 3. We get 0.5, 0.25 and 0.125. So the decimal number for 0.111 is 0.875. Let's see another problem. In this we are going to take both integer as well as fraction number. So first we are going to solve for integer. This is the least significant bit and this is the most significant bit. For least significant bit, it is multiplied by 2 raised to 0. Next bit 2 raised to 1. Next bit 2 raised to 2. Next bit 2 raised to 3. Going towards the fraction, we get 1 into 2 raised to minus 1, 1 into 2 raised to minus 2. So after calculation, we get the final value for this addition is 11.75. So the corresponding decimal number for 1011.11 is 11.7. I hope you got the clear idea of how to convert binary number into decimal number. Thank you so much.